Someone here could be wanting some kind of a new beginning at mukhang sinisimulan niya na, no? And look how excited this energy is. So, pwedeng ikaw to or pwedeng may someone connecting sa'yo, no? So, nakikita natin dito that someone here is energetically na excited rito, no? Na mag-start, no? To the point na gustong-gusto niya na talaga ito, no? Nagbibigay siya rito ng sobrang attention with the devil energy. So, that devil is somehow indulging, no? Yung sarili niya sa new beginning na yun, no? And this person is actually making things happen with this Eight of Wands energy. So, makikita ko siya rito may ginagawa. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ba itong ginagawa niya, no? Para dun sa kanyang new beginning right here. Oh, and it has something to do with his or her fantasies right here. So, mukhang this person is actually might be doing some kind of inner work, mga babes. No? Pwedeng shadow work, inaayos niya rito yung self niya. Or maybe this person right here is healing, okay? Yung kanya mga traumas right here. Or maybe this person right here is alam mo parang inaayos niya yung buhay niya in general to the point na mas nagiging spiritual siya rito at bukas siya, no, sa mga sinasabi rito ni universe sa kanya. No, whether hindi niya yun talaga naririnig, no, pero parang nagtitiwala siya, going with the flow, trusting the process. It's like this person is doing something like inner work, no, parang inner, okay, yung ginagawa niya rito. Yeah. This person could be meditating but doesn't have to be. Pero nakikita ko siyang kalmado. At sumasabay lang siya sa saliw rito. See? Saliw rito ni Destiny. Yan, no? Saliw rito ni Universe. This person could be someone na marunong sumayaw or doesn't have to be or baka mahilig siya sa music. Let's see. But this is someone romantic. Oh. Okay. Oh, we have here the star. Wow, we have here the star and the sun. I'm getting that word magical right here. So, pwedeng mga babes know something magical right here is happening. Okay, so let's see more. Pero it gives me this kind of message na parang this is something here unfolding. Okay? Like, alam mo yung parang it's not happening ngayon sa 3D world. Itong world na to, yung 3D world mga babes, na itong reality na to natin na to kung saan naririnig ninyo ako, kung saan kayo ay nabubuhay ngayon, ito yung 3D world, no? Maybe this is someone here connecting with you. Or maybe this is you. Just take how this resonates. Yan, no? Meron kayo rito parang gustong mangyari and it feels so real. It feels so real. Yeah. Okay? So, let's see. Parang, you're manifesting here something with this. See? Ito yung nakita ko rito. No? Parang may minamanifest kayo rito or may nagmamanifest rito ng something beautiful. Yan. No? And it could possibly be appearing here as somewhat surreal. Okay? You know, surreal mga babes, no? Parang halos hindi makatotohanan or whatever, no? Pero yun nga mga babes, no? Someone here is dreaming about something, wishing about something, and it feels like magical. So, alamin nga natin ano ba yan. Oh, we have here the Ace of Cups energy. See? I think it has something to do with the new love, connection, and partnership right here. See, something magical is happening right here. Tinan mo to, no? Yan, no? Pag lumbas ka ba dyan, may ganyan-ganyan ba sa ulo mo? Ayan, no? Yung parang halo dyan, no? So, walang ganyan, mga babes. So, it looks like someone here, he is doing some kind of manifestations. Yan, no? And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this person here has this kind of overflowing intentions, no? May intention siya rito, no? See, there's two doves in there. So definitely this person here is wanting some kind of marriage, commitment, partnership with you guys, but it looks like it's not yet happening into reality. It looks like this is all about manifesting right here, manifestations right here. And I'm seeing a lot of greens right here. So I can see that this could possibly be a very healing connection. And this person is looking for some kind of stable connection. Okay? So yung nakikita ko rito. No? This is someone here that you can rely on. No? At maaasahan mo ito. Kung pagiging tapat lang rin naman ang usapan. So yung nakikita natin dito mga babes. No? So with a lot of trees right here, this person could be somewhat stable as well when it comes to his or her finances right here. Or maybe for others of you, this could be a workplace romance. Pero kung sino man to, regardless, no, kung sino siya, ay this is the person right here that is fantasizing this about you. Definitely, this person here is manifesting you. There's something magical happening in the background. Yeah, this person is viewing this connection as somewhat a lot of growth right here with the sun. And this person is envisioning some kind of a perfect family here with you. See, this person wants marriage with you, wants to have children with you, wants to build a home and a shelter right here with you, wants to build this connection with also with your soul tribe, with your family, yan, with your friends. No? Gusto niyang ipakita rito ang kanyang intention ay malinis. No? But there's something magical. Let's see more. Yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. With the magician right here, definitely this person is manifesting you. And with lots of major arcanas present in this reading right here, collective, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na itong tao na to, no, is masaya siya na ini-envision niya or minamanifest ka niya rito. And look at that. The magician has all the tools that he or she needs. So, it looks like this person right here, no, meron siya ritong ibubuga, no, sa kanyang behavior, sa kanyang characteristic, no, at pwedeng sa kanyang physical appearance and attributes na rin. So, ibig sabihin, no, plakado itong tao na to, no. So, bukod sa maaasahan at pagkakatiwalaan mo na nga siya ritong tunay, nakikita pa natin dito na gustong-gusto ka talaga niyang i-pursue dito, no. At pwede kasi mga babes, no, kung meron man siya ngayon na pinagpupukusan, no, I think nagpo-focus siya rito sa kanyang stability, no, while manifesting you in the background. So yeah, this person definitely is happy, no, na iniisip niya rito, no, yung mga bagay na gusto niyang iplano rito sa future. Kasama ka. So ano ba nangyayari dito? Yeah, this is someone here who is a good manifestor right here. So yeah, let's keep moving. Yeah. Seven of Wands energy. You could be seeing a lot of 777, angel number 777. So it looks like this person is on the right path moving towards this manifestation. Dinidepensahan niya itong manifestation na to. So ibig sabihin, pwedeng may alam siya sa manifestation things or meron siyang deep knowing, no, about how to make your wish all come true right here through manifestations, but doesn't have to be like that. This is someone here na naniniwala in general, no? Meron siyang belief dito, no, na mabibigyan ito ng kataparan rito someday. So, sino man tong person na to mga babes, no, may pagtitiwala siya rito sa minamanifest niya, no? Kung minamanifest ka niya rito ng bongga, naniniwala siya rito, no, na lahat ito ay mabibigyan ng katuparan at mapapasakamay ka rin niya. Mapapasakamay. Paano pang kontrabida yung pagkakasabi ko doon, no? Mapapasakamay ka rin niya. Yan, no? Tapos sabay tawa. Yan, diba? So, whatever the case may be, no, this person right here is believing, okay, and seeing everything happening. Naniniwala siya rito, no, na mabibigyan rin ng katuparan itong kahilingan niya, no, na may kinalaman ka rito. So, yeah. Okay. So, ilagay na muna natin. Kasi, pinoprotektahan niya to. So, ibig sabihin, pinoprotektahan niya yung energy niya rito, no? So, pwedeng isa itong klase ng tao na magalit man siya, pero kaya niyang kontrolin yung emotions and feelings niya, no? And this is also someone here who is understanding, no? Mapagbigay siya, generous siya rito, oh. So, baka pwedeng, alam mo yung matandain siya rito sa mga birthdays, um, sa mga kakilala niya, no? Naaalala niya yung mga birthday, or siya to na mapagbigay, no? Parang, uy, madami akong baon dito, share tayo. Yan, no? Or siya to na, uy, may extra pa ako dito ng kape, or sino pa may gusto dyan, meron pa akong dala dito, isang plastic. So, siya to na na-generous siya rito, no? Kung anong resources meron siya, sinashare niya sa iba. Tsaka maaaring pet lover din siya rito. So, pwedeng meron siyang pusa, may aso siyang pet, so kahit anong pet, no? This could be someone here na pwedeng walang pet pero may pagpapahalaga, no? Pati sa mga animals. So, whatever the case may be, this is also someone who is a giver. Yan, no? At pwedeng yung food niya, no? May nangyayari na talaga na instance, no? Na kunwari, bumili siya sa convenience store, dapat yun ay morning breakfast niya, 'di ba? Pero pag may nakita siya sa street, no, na nanghihingi ng food, binibigay niya yon. At hindi lang yun isang beses nangyayari. Whether it's food, whether it's the sukli, no, or whether it's not the sukli, pero meron siyang extra money sa kanyang pocket, no, binibigay niya ito, no. So yeah, ganun siya, no, si Palabarn, no, Palabarn itong attitude nang lumalabas rito mga babes, no, na nagma-manifest sa inyo. So, this person is literally manifesting you right here. So, whether kilala ka niya or hindi ka niya kilala, because this is appearing here as brand new love, yan, no, this person is attracting you. Ikaw at ikaw rito mga babes, no, yung fish na masusungkit niya. Ikaw yung fish na masusungkit niya rito. Yeah, so this person is pwedeng successful na nga talaga siya sa kanyang life. Di ba dun pa nga lang sinabi ko na sa inyo, no, namumutakti yung mga puno dyan at lahat ng mga greeneries. So, ibig sabihin, this person right here is someone here na successful sa kanyang work, sa kanyang career, at pwedeng meron rin siyang business. Kung hindi siya nag-work sa isang company, no, this person could be owning his or her business right here. So, kung sino man tong energies na to, minamanifest niya rito ay ang kanyang one true love, no? At mukhang ikaw yung lumalabas rito sa ating reading na ikaw ang one true love niya. So, ikaw yung makakatch niya rito mga babes, no? Whether kilala ka na niya or hindi, or whether ikaw ang kanyang specific person, or this someone here is attracting an ideal partner, ikaw at ikaw mga babes, no, ang malalambat niya rito. Ikaw yung fish na mahuhuli niya rito. Yeah, this person is envisioning this, no? Alam mo kasi, this person is imagining you, that you are in love with him or her. This person is imagining this, parehas kayong nagkikreate ng beautiful family together, nagpapakasal kayo rito, no? Sa harap ng inyong God right here. Wala tayong specific religion dito, you know that, no? Nakikita ko dito, no, napakakasalan ka niya rito, no, ano man ang relihiyon ninyong dalawa, no, I can see marriage, no, bonding each other. So, whatever the case may be, no, this is you. Pwedeng wala kang kaalam-alam dito, or pwedeng ikaw ito. Na nagpa-fantasize ka rito sa iisang tao. Whether this is someone specific that you already know, or whether this is someone here na ideal partner pa lang. Pero this is the energy of someone here, no, na ini-envision niya yung buhay na gusto niya with that special person, with that future spouse. And I think that is you. Ini-imagine niya, ini-envision niya ang isang magandang future with you guys. No? That this is you creating and building this happy family right here. And maybe this person loves dancing, or baka marunong siya niyan, or baka alam mo yun, no, siya tong parang lively and funny, no? To the point na parang this is a cheater, no? So, this person right here tends to cheer everybody. Ganun siya sumuporta, no? So, pwedeng mga babes, no, hindi lang ikaw yung chine-cheer niya rito, no? Maaring yung iba ring mga tao sa paligid niya. Kasi this is someone here na merong alive na spirit. And this person is imagining, no, na itong beautiful Alright, so welcome back mga babes, no? Alam niyo buti na lang may kumatok talaga, no? Kasi dead bat na pala yung battery nitong mic. Kaya nagbago, di ba? Parang nawala yung noise natin sa background, no? Kasi may microphone na ako, yes. So, yun nga mga babes, yun nga, no? Not aware na lobat na pala yung mic, no? So, kaya pala, no? Nung chinek ko yung video, wala palang sound, no? Daldal ako ng daldal, wala na palang sound. Okay, so balik na tayo sa pinag-uusapan natin, no? So yun nga mga babes, so this is the energy here of someone, no, na looking forward siya dito sa beautiful love story na ito. Yeah, it might not yet happening right now in the 3D world, but this person here is naniniwala, nagtitiwala rito mga babes, no, that everything will happen right here, na mangyayari pa rin to sa right moment sa right time right here. So this person is nagtitiwala, nananampalataya. This is someone here who believes na deserve niya tong something beautiful love story na to rito. And yeah, this is the person right here who sees you as that big fish, no? Kayo ay ang big catch rito, no? So this person right here is actually manifesting here a very specific person, or doesn't have to be a very specific person for some of them, but it could possibly be kung sino man yung na-attract na to, no? It's like ikaw yung pinupoint dito, no, ni Waze or ni Google Map, na ikaw yung kanyang future spouse rito. So, this is the energy here of someone who wants to attract someone special right here. At ikaw yung tinutukoy dito, mga babes. So, wow. Yeah, we have here, see, the high priestess is right here. So, definitely, this is someone here who could be into tarot readings, or doesn't have to be na palagi nanonood ng tarot readings. Doesn't have to be na naniniwala sa tarot readings, but this is someone here who believes and has this kind of big faith or pananalig, no, na magkakaroon siya ng ganitong beautiful love story here with you. So, sa isipan niya, no, kinakasal na kayo rito, you have this wonderful, beautiful family here together, labi-dabi with each other, creating this union together with your soul tribe and your community right here. So, kung sino naman tong person na to, this person is believing, no, na mabibigyan ito ng katuparan someday. So, yeah. Yeah, you could be seeing a lot of 777s, or this person could be seeing a lot of 7 sevens right here. But whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this is the energy here of someone who is really looking forward na mangyayari ito, no? So, hindi siya dito nag-worry, no? Ang galing niya kasi this is the type of energy right here, no, na talaga naman na alam mo yung hindi niya kinakailangan, no, na makita yung proof ng isang bagay na may nangyayari, basta naniniwala siya na mangyayari ito, no? Kaya, 'di ba? Yun eh. Kaya miracles happen because you believe, no? Kaya yung kanta na miracle na yon, no, 'di ba? When you believe, somehow you will. Kasi it has something to do with kapag naniniwala ka, you can really make miracles happen, no? You can really make impossible possible. So, yun yung mga babes. So, this person is a living legend. And this person could be really, dwelling into spirituality right here. This is someone here who has this kind of um, belief, no, na yung wish niya ay matutupad here someday. So, whoever this individual right here is someone who is, yeah, we're hearing that song. I love that song. I think it's A1 song. A1. Yan, no? So, boy band yun, no? Nung 1990s, yung mga babes, no? Or nung 90s. Yan, no? So, ang kanta, something to do with, now my life is blessed with the love of an angel. How can it be true? Yeah, so this person right here, yeah, definitely, that's heaven by your side. Yeah, no, by A1 right here. So it looks like this person right here is, pakiramdam niya, no, feels like heaven ito, no, um, na parang ikaw, na ini-imagine pa lang niya ang lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na ito, no, beautiful love story na ito, no, with you guys. No, this person feels like heaven no? Kasi nandiya ka, kasi ikaw yung ginugusto niya, kasi ikaw yung nagustuhan niya, no? This person feels like, no, na isa kang earth angel dito, no, sa buhay niya. It's like this person, okay, is actually in this type of state na parang siguradong sigurado na siya rito sa inyo. Yung parang hindi na siya aatras dito, no, sa kanya ritong kagustuhan, no. Ikaw yung kanyang desire, ikaw yung hinihingi niya, ikaw yung hinihiling niya, ikaw yung minimithi niya rito. See, ikaw yung tangi niyang minimithi, antaray, no? So, whoever this individual is, this is individual right here that is dreaming about you in this beautiful love story right here, dwelling, indulging in this kind of manifestation together here with you, no matter what you do. Alam mo yung mga babes, no, no matter what you do, nakikita ko rito, no, na ikaw talaga ang tinutukoy rito ng kanyang tadhana, no? So, wow, taray. So, oh, definitely, this is the Four of Swords energy. This is someone here na pwedeng napapanaginipan ka na rin niya noon or laman ka ng panaginip niya. Okay? No, either doon. So, whatever the case may be, this person will found you. Okay? At natagpuan ka niya at matatagpuan ka niya, no? At mapapatunayan niya rito na kung ikaw man ay napapanaginipan niya na noon, no? Mapapatunayan niya rito na totoo rito ang kanyang mga panaginip. So, wow! Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari rito. But this is someone here, okay, who is actually cleansing his or her energy, maintaining his or her positive mindset right here. Parang nagki-clean siya rito, nagki-cleanse siya rito ng energy. No? Ini-ignore niya rito yung mga bashers, mga bullies, no, yung mga negative people, mga toxic people, no. So yan siya, no, para mas ma-maintain niya rito, no, ang kanyang manifestations here. This person is someone here na marunong, ha, into spirituality siya talaga. Okay? Ang taas ng kanyang pananampalataya at pananalig rito na itong kahiling. Tsaka alam ko kasi, kung siya nga yung klase ng tao dito na, alam mo yun, yung parang, minsan lang naman ako humiling sa life ko eh. Yan, no? At ito na yung pinaka-biggest wish ko. Yan, no? Parang okay na ako, meron na ako ng lahat ng kailangan ko rito, no? Ito na lang talagang si Collective ang kulang sa buhay ko. So, whether kilala ka niya na or hindi ka pa niya kilala, mga babes, no? Whether ikaw ang kanyang specific person or hindi ka pa niya nami-meet ever, nakikita ko rito, no? Na mahal ka na niya bago pa kayo magkakilala. So, yan mga babes nung taray. And this person, no, ito very specific yun pwede talagang nakikita ka na nitong tao na to sa kanyang mga panaginip before. So, yan, no, taray. So, tanan pa natin dito. So, yeah, we have here the lover. See, this person, alam mo parehas kayo rito, nang iisa lang yung layunin ninyo. Yan, no. Parehas kayo rito ng layunin ninyo na maitaguyod tong relationship na to, itong commitment na to, hawak kamay kayo dyan sa lahat ng mga pagsubok sa life, hindi ko kayo nakikita mag-iiwanan dito, no. And with this, Seven of Coins energy, and let's see, having the Two of Cups as well. And there you go, the King of Pentacles. Sabi ko sa inyo, meron talaga siyang pera rito. Not maaaring meron siya rito talagang stability sa kanyang tabi. Alam mo, you do not see this coming kasi maaaring with the book right here, it's standing out. Pwede kasing nag-aaral ka ngayon, doesn't have to be na student ka ha. Maaaring ikaw ay student, no? Or maaaring ikaw ay nag-aaral ngayon ng iyong new interest or baka ikaw ay bago sa iyong trabaho, yung job description, yung trabaho dyan, yung inaaral mo, ay nakikita ko rito na meron ka rito something na pumupukaw sa yung interest na may kinalaman sa yung stability, mga babes na yan, yung mga coins sa paligid na yan, yung greeneries na yan, no? At yung ubas na yan, hindi naman talaga mga babes madali palaguin at patubuin yung ubas na yan, mga babes. Kasi ang ubas ay isa sa pinakamahirap, no? Talagang kailangan rito ng masinsinang pag-aalaga, no? Para ma-harvest nyo yan, no? At nakikita ko rito na kung ano man yan, no? Nagpo-focus ka rito sa iyong personal life, personal growth na may kinalaman sa iyong money, career, and stability. Sa goals mo in life, yan yung inaaral mo. Yung expansion yan, paano pagyayabungin yan, paano pag-iibayuhin yan, paano mauunlad yan, at paano ka rito mas makakapag-save ng money, yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito na focus ka dyan at nakatingin ka dyan, yan, no? See? Kaya hindi mo rin nakikita na meron ditong tao na parang hindi lang basta humahanga at hahanga sa'yo, kundi talagang gusto ka niya rito mga babes, no? Na talagang madala sa kanyang 3D reality. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, this is the energy here of someone, no, na nakikita ka rito as someone na big catch dito. So, wow, this person is really actually seeing you as his or her own guardian angel. And this person is actually, no, pakiramdam niya, no, nakita niya na yung heaven because of you. Oh. So, in short, parang patay na patay siya sa'yo. That feeling, no, that no one can really explain, no, and that is the feeling of love. So, wow, collective. Ito mga mensaheng nakuha natin for you guys. Thank you so much. I-claim niya na to, no, kasi napakabihira ng ganitong klase ng emosyon at feelings for you guys. So, yan. Para to sa inyo. Thank you so much. Love and light. Annyeong.